Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon to get updated with Bobas Aviation.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Bobas Aviation. This is Devojit. Aviation sector is a very huge and vast, which includes a lot of departments involving thousands of employees who are working to maintain a safe flight operation. Although you are familiar with different branches of aviation like flying branch, engineering department, but in today's video I am going to talk about an aviation branch which plays a very important role for safe flight operation, but many of you don't know about this branch. Well, most of you have understood from the title of this video that today I am going to talk about flight dispatcher. This video is made on a special request from one of my subscribers from Tamil Nadu. In this video I am going to talk about flight dispatcher, duties and responsibilities of flight dispatcher, training program, fees, job specs, salary, and the training institutes in India. This video will be a little bit longer compared to my other career related videos, but you will get a lot of information from this video and I will try to cover as many points as possible. So watch the video till the end.
Yes, for landing. Thank you.
Flight dispatchers are involved in the operation control of the aircraft. A flight dispatcher is also known as a ground pilot. Let's discuss about the duties and responsibilities of a flight dispatcher. So the main responsibility of the flight dispatcher is to ensure that the flight can get safely to where it's going. The flight dispatcher for a particular aircraft is on duty at least 1 hour before its departure. Coming towards the duties and responsibilities of a flight dispatcher, they collect the latest meteorological data from concerned agencies and thoroughly analyze whether at the departure and arrival airport site, whether along the flight route, if any emergency situation occurs in flight, then the aircraft will have to land at the nearest airport. So the dispatcher will also review the weather conditions of all the nearest airports in the flight route. This was all about the weather analysis. They will also collect the latest available data on standard instrument departures, en route facilities, noise abatement, operational procedures, navigation aids, aerodrome facilities, ATC and communication procedures, runway conditions, search and rescue facilities, and other informations and regulations likely to affect the flight. After collecting all these data, the flight dispatcher will prepare a flight plan. So flight plan is basically a document which includes aircraft registration, planned route, altitude, speed, endurance, duration of flight, departure destination, alternate airport, equipment carried on board, FIC and ADC number. One copy of the flight plan will be carried on board by the pilot and the other copies will be forwarded to all the ATCs of the concerned flight route. For the safety of aircraft, flight dispatcher may also review pilots who are flying the aircrafts and the attendants in terms of their qualifications to perform duties, and a proper roster for work and rest period is maintained or not between the flights. They have the power to delay, cancel, or make the aircraft fly safe in alternative nearest routes in accordance with company standards and procedures. Now, to become a flight dispatcher and get these responsibilities, there must be some eligibility criteria to be fulfilled. So let's discuss about these criteria. In Indian aviation, the eligibility criteria as set by Directorate General of Civil Aviation are: number 1, education qualification must be 10 plus 2 or equivalent with physics and chemistry from recognized board or university. Number 2, age should not be less than 21 years. Along with these eligibility criteria, the applicant must have the following experience. I have put forward the following points. You can pause the video and check out the details. Let's move towards the training period and the level of training program. So in the beginning, you will have ground classes which will be of 360 hours. The total period of ground classes varies from institute to institute, from 3 months to 1 year. Thereafter, passing the DGCA exam, you will have to do 90 days of on-the-job training, which will be your practical field training. The passing percentage in DGCA exam is 70%. Along with OJT, there will be simulator sessions for observing flight deck operations. After this, you will be eligible to join an airline as an assistant flight dispatcher, and with your experience, training and DGCA license, you can become a flight dispatcher. Coming towards the training institutes, then most of the airlines in India have approval for their own training establishments, who will train you and hire you if they have vacancies. Most of the cases they will hire you, but no airline will give you 100% job guarantee. There are many other institutes like Frankfin, Skyline Aviation, Flyer Aviation, who will provide you the flight dispatcher course. Ground classes are provided by institutes or airlines where you join, but in India, OJTs are mostly provided by airlines only. Course fees will vary from institute to institute, but within a range of 1 lakh to 2.5 lakhs. Talking of the salaries, then it will again vary from organization to organization, but when you will join a company as an assistant flight dispatcher, then your salary will be between 20,000 to 30,000 Indian rupees, and after becoming a flight dispatcher, your basic pay will be minimum 50,000 rupees. If we look into the job aspects, then the flight dispatchers are called ground pilots. Like pilots who are in charge of the flight operation in air, the flight dispatchers are responsible for the flight operation on ground. So with the increase in number of aircrafts in an airline, there will always be a need of flight dispatcher. So this was the video on flight dispatcher. I have tried to share as many informations as possible. Do comment down below your opinions. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Bobas Aviation. So see you in another video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.